guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kai for those of you who are new. If you are new, what's up, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm showing you guys this wig and how I got it applied on. So if you're interested in seeing that, continue to watch.
Take the wrong and you make it right. Like a firefly, you're glowing at night. So don't make it hard, don't let me go. I wanna hold you tight when you're cold. I'm waiting for your love, you just keep me hanging on. I deserve to stay, and I will find my way. I will find my way.
Alright guys, so here is the finished look of the wig. I did do some plucking to it. It did need a lot of plucking, I'm not even gonna lie. If you get this wig, you are going to have to do some work to it. It comes completely full around the edges, around the front line. So if you want it to look more natural, you are definitely gonna have to do a lot of plucking. I still feel like I could do more plucking to it for sure, but this is what it looks like so far. It is a 10-inch wig. I did just go ahead and curl the ends to make it look more like bob-like, but I'm probably gonna cut it to make it be more of a blunt cut, shorter bob, because I don't really like the curled feel. But I do think this wig is appropriate for like the summer, the office. It's a really elegant wig is what I would call it. That's what it looks like. I feel like I'm somebody's auntie. I do want to say thank you to Xtrend hair for sending me this wig. I do like the wig. It does have a lot of work that you have to do to it, but besides that, it is actually a really good quality wig. It comes with a frontal in it. I did not show how the wig is made, however, it is like a frontal in the front, and then you have your weave in the back, so it is a wig made into a wig or whatever. I went ahead and made it into a left part, but you can wear it in the middle or on the other side. I did bleach the knots as well, just to make sure it looks a little bit more blendable when you get into the parting space. while I was plucking it, a lot of hair came out, but I think that just came from the plucking. After you actually get through with the plucking and you just brush through it or whatever, it doesn't shed. So, but that doesn't usually happen with shorter wigs anyways. Shorter wigs don't usually shed as easy as longer wigs. I'll go ahead and turn around to the back too so you guys can see what the back of it looks like. Just give you a 360 feel. But yeah guys, this is a really simple bimple wig, I would call it. You can definitely, I feel like anyone could wear this wig for sure. I didn't really have too many cons about it. The only thing is that it comes like completely full in the front, so for you to make it look natural you do have to do a lot of plucking. So that is something just to throw out there if you're interested in it. I do want to say thank you to Xtrend Hair for sending me this wig. I do really appreciate it. If you guys are interested in the wig, make sure you look in my description box below so you can check out the wig yourself. Thanks guys so much for watching today's video, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.